Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, and now let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter the history, and as you can see here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So of course if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to simply tap on Clear Browsing Data, and here we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks, and basically simply tap on clear data. As you can see, the history is empty, which means that for sure we just successfully removed everything. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your Motorola Edge 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.